Hi guys, welcome back to Sounds in Motion with me, Mitch Perry. Today we are at the Birmingham NEC Camper Caravan Motorhomes Show 2024 and we are currently on RP Motorhomes stand and we are currently stood in their flagship Mercedes Sprinter motorhome build, which is absolutely phenomenal. So this vehicle is showcasing an Alpine audio system consisting of an ILX W690D, which is mounted in the headliner with a custom fitted panel, along with the SPC R100S radial speakers, the PWD X5 4-channel DSP underseat subwoofer, and of course our flagship and legendary Alpine Type R two-way component speakers. So we're going to go around the van, we're going to show you what products we have on offer, and we'll go from there. So here in the back of the cabin, we actually have our two-way R Series Pro component system, which is consisting of a 6.5-inch midwoofer and of course a 1-inch tweeter. These are the latest in the R Series family and they sound absolutely incredible. These are both being run off the PWD X5 4-channel DSP underseat subwoofer, which is just mounted here on this back wall. And of course the controller for it is mounted further up here. So the PWD X5 is a 4-channel underseat subwoofer with a built-in amplifier and DSP. This product is currently running 2 channels on the R Series components, and then of course the other 2 channels on the SPC R100S radial speakers, which are sat underneath here. This whole system is ran off the ILX W690D, which is mounted up front, which we'll show you in a moment. And this is designed to work when your vehicle's parked up on a campsite, and it can be used completely standalone with the ignition off and your keys in your pocket. So let's just touch base on the ILX W690D for a moment. This unit here is absolutely legendary. It's a shallow bodied unit with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, DAB+, HDMI, twin camera input and much more. With it being a shallow body, it can be mounted into the tightest of spaces, such as this roofline in here with this custom made panel, which is only exclusive to RP Motorhomes. And again, they use this system as part of their exclusive builds. Let's take a further look at this. So you're probably wondering, when I'm driving along, what's the purpose of having those 4 speakers and that ultimate DSP amplifier underseat subwoofer in the back? What am I going to listen to when I'm driving up front? Well, the answer is you've still got the factory radio, which is then linked up to our SPC 106 S907 Adventure Audio front 2-way speaker system. We're going to show you exactly what the grills look like on the dashboard. They are absolutely out of this world and they sound just as good. So let's take a look at those. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Sounds in Motion with me, Mitch Perry. Hope you enjoyed the RP Motorhomes tour of their flagship Mercedes Sprinter vans. And of course, if you like what you see, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button below, and we'll see you next time.